Lemongrass tea, as the name suggests, is prepared from a lemongrass plant, which is a tropical perennial herb with an exquisite fresh lemony fragrance. This is lemongrass plant, and you can see the leaves are long and thin. This is lower part of the stalk. I'm taking out some fresh stalk. Now let's go and make a lemongrass tea, which is beneficial for health. It has antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, antimicrobial property, and also good for digestion. It helps lower cholesterol levels, boosts immunity, maintain cellular health, use in the skincare, list are many. Beautiful rain lily here. The plant is washed properly. Cut the stalks into pieces and crush it. Let's pour some water as required and boil it for 8 to 10 minutes. Now it is almost ready, you can see. Strain the stalks from the liquid before serving. Now the lemongrass tea is ready. Pour it in a cup and you are ready to go. But I don't like drinking this way. I prefer adding some sugar and hot water. You can add milk, honey, lemon, and you can serve hot as well as cold. Stir it. Now a hot refreshing lemon tea is ready. This lemongrass tea has several health benefits and it is rich in vitamin A, B, C and minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper, zinc etc. And it has almost no fat. So drinking lemongrass tea is refreshing and good for health. You must drink regularly and stay healthy.